Things are looking really scary right now. Okay folks, so I don't know what is compelling me to show this atrocity on the World Wide Web, but this is my closet over here and it needs some serious help. So I figured, you know what, these videos do all right on YouTube, so maybe I'd do one myself. Maybe I'd inspired someone to clean out their closet. So let's just get right into it because this is probably gonna take a while. Okay, so essentially this pile and this basket are just clean clothes waiting to be put away, but they literally can't be put away because the closet is too full. I'm the type of person that like has like a set few things that they wear all the time, and then they just have like a whole array of things that are just like okay, that, you know, you just save because you don't hate them but you don't love them, so they're just kind of there in case you just are too lazy to do laundry and you have nothing else left. We are going to get rid of those things. Fit all this back into the closet where it belongs. So I feel like a decent place to start is to get some more of this dirty laundry out of the closet, into the washer, get it all cleaned up. And in case you guys are wondering, I do have like a rack of hanging clothes, like hanging like right outside the top of the closet, and that is just like clean clothes that I don't put in the dryer. So I washed these the other day and they're just hanging there now and they're clean, but they're not in the closet because they don't fit in there, so they're just chilling outside the closet. So we'll have to take that down as well. To actually get some things moving along here, I got a clear bag that we're gonna pack it full of clothes that we're getting rid of so that we can donate it to somebody. There's a lot we need to work through here, so I'm just gonna start by going through the racks and seeing if there's anything that I can get rid of. So basically I went through all of the racks, took out anything that I wanted to get rid of, and I also took out things that didn't really belong where they were, because when I moved back in here in December, it was like Christmas time, so I kind of had to just shove in things pretty quick, and I didn't really pay attention to where I was putting half the stuff, so I took a lot of the stuff out that I am keeping, but it was just like jammed in there really weird. And then I also went ahead and emptied out these, not the bottom two, we're gonna get to the bottom of the closet after this section because there's a lot of junk down there that we need to deal with as well, but yeah, I just emptied up these top cubbies because I just feel like they were kind of a disaster. There's definitely things in there that I can get rid of. Let me just show you guys the scariness of my room right now. Here we freaking go. Things are looking really scary right now, and I'm hoping this is one of those things that just gets worse before it gets better, because I don't know how the heck this is all gonna fit. This is the bag of stuff we're getting rid of. I just kind of chucked all the cubby stuff just like on the floor, and this is the pile of like clean stuff that has to go back in the closet, so maybe we should start with that. I hope this goes away soon because it's really freaky. What do you think of this?
You don't want to know.
Stuff like this is just like, I'm not really sure what I want to do with this yet, because obviously this is like seasonal, so I think I'm just gonna tuck the seasonal stuff to the side for now and focus on stuff that has to go in there right now. Ugh, which is all this stuff over here. I should be the last to know. Okay, so this little pile is basically all that I have left from the entire pile that I had last night. You can actually see some floor over there. I have a big bag to give away over here. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Right now, I'm just gonna basically go through this stuff. A big chunk of this is bathing suits, which I am gonna kind of organize and go through, keep them in this basket, put them back up in the closet in the cubby that they were in. And then a lot of this stuff is like hats and mittens and stuff, which I don't really think need to be in my bedroom closet. That'll be that. This is a pillowcase. Don't really know what that's doing here. And then we have a bucket of like boot socks, like really thick socks that don't really go in the sock drawer because the sock drawer is kind of exploding already. I also have a onesie here that I wasn't really sure what to do with, so I'll have to figure something out. Last night I kind of got to the point where I was like, did I make a huge mistake by putting myself through this? But now I see the light at the end of the tunnel and we are almost done.
All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly.
Okay, so far the closet is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Aside from the laundry basket, yes, I know I need to do more laundry and I'm really slack about doing that, but the last part that's kind of problematic is this situation. Like my clothes are getting like all bunched up at the bottom because there's like so much stuff in there. I don't even know what's in there, but I know there's a lot of stuff like shoved in there and there's like a big pile right here. So my last goal is to see what's in this shelf, what's in that shelf, what's in this pile, and what is all shoved under there. Okay, so here is the haul, guys. We had some weights, we had some webkins, we had a wig from when I used to cosplay, we've had some shoes, little scarecrow guy, this like jewelry holder thing, which I think I'm gonna have to get rid of because it doesn't really match the vibe, you know? That's why I was stuck in the closet. Childhood stuffed animal that I'm not getting rid of, an Easter basket, my little bucket of shoe care, some heels, some old cosplay shoes, and an ornament that I think my nan gave me a long time ago. So obviously I think I'm gonna get rid of some of these shoes because they're just kind of shoved back there. I do have the issue with I now have to find spots for all of this other junk, but I'm gonna go ahead and call the closet finished just for the sake of the video because it's getting dark and I want to finish it before the sun goes down. So so thanks so much for tagging along with me on my journey to a crazy looking closet to a normal looking human's closet. I took a before picture on my phone and I just looked at the after picture and I was like, whoa. I'm extremely happy with how my closet looks now. It looks like a closet, which is great. Yeah, I highly encourage you guys to clean out your closets if it looked like mine at the start because it just feels really refreshing to have a closet that is functional. This is gonna sound really rude, but I thought this dress was clean, but it looks like there's like pizza on the sleeve, so I'm gonna have to wash that. Yeah, this is just something that I probably should have done when I moved back in, and it's something that I should keep up on, but I have a really bad habit of just throwing things in the closet when I know people are gonna be coming over and there's stuff around my room, I'll just throw it in the closet and shut the door because they can't see it if the door's shut, you know, and then it just stays there. Let me know in the comments down below what your closet looks like because if it looks just like mine did at the start, I'll feel a little bit better about myself. Thanks so much for watching, and I will probably have a more creative video for you guys on Tuesday, so thanks so much for watching and I will see you guys then. Bye!